So if you head to targettransfers.com, use the CAD-CUT heat transfer vinyl drop down and pick SportsFilm Extra. So just to echo what Molly was saying, this is the top choice for cotton and polycotton blends. All you need to do is scroll down. Prices start from a sample size at £5.70 per metre, and they go down as you order more volume. So for instance, once you get down to a roll size, so you can see here we've got our brand new colours, ordered by the metre or by the roll, and you can see you can make some quite significant savings. So the most common way to order would be by the roll, because you can save 18% off the full RRP price there. But you can also get free delivery with that as well. So it's another cost saving of £6.50 there as well. And just to kind of give you a bit of a background on why you would choose SportsFilm Extra from a business point of view, we also have a price breakdown, which I'd encourage you to have a look at later and work out your own costings as well. So, for instance, a full roll of SportsFilm heat transfer vinyl was £117.50. And if we would be using 10 by 10 centimeter designs, you can actually get as many as 1,250 designs out of this roll. So based on average selling price for garments and the average manufacturing cost, including labor and vinyl, you could potentially make £17,500 profit per roll. Obviously, if you're making large designs, you need to price that accordingly, but there's a potential of £17,500 per roll. So really great cost savings available for you as well there.